Hi guys, this is Owen Eugene Apostol from GE15 code 9712, and I was assigned to discuss these topics about sustainability, carrying capacity, and environmental ethics. So, you may be wondering why I'm using this type of dynamic microphone because it is very noisy here and it would be more difficult for you to comprehend what I'm saying if I will be using this microphone which is coming from my earphones. So, just like what I said, I will be discussing about the sustainability, carrying capacity, and environmental ethics. So, the first one is sustainability. Sustainability or ecological sustainability means preserving the fertility of the waters, soils, and ecosystems over the long term while reducing our effect on the natural environment and human health to a level that the natural environment and humanity can manage. Some of the economists, political scientists, and others also use the term sustainability about types of development and improvement that are economically viable, do not harm the environment, and are socially just or fair to all people. Well, the next one is the carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is the average population size of a species in a given habitat. Environmental factors such as sufficient food, shelter, water, and other essential basic needs restrict the species population size. As the population grows faster, the chances of human survivability decreases. So, just like what I said, it is the lack of food, water, shelter, and other basic needs. Actually, carrying capacity is one with sustainability because if there is no sustainability or any development observed in people's doing, then we cannot expect to save this world and survive over a long period of time. And that is why we must be responsible for all of our actions. In addition, for carrying capacity, maybe you've heard about this conspiracy about COVID 19, which is used to control population growth. So, environmental ethics. Our perceptions of environmental issues, as well as our decisions on what we can or should not do with natural resources. It is how we perceive other people, animals, or objects may also be influenced by our perceptions of their worth. So we have these two things called inherent value and the instrumental value. The first one is the inherent value. Inherent value is when we value or respect people or things that surround us because they have the right to exist. While the instrumental value is when we value a person's existence, for we know that we can use him or her for our own benefit. So these are the examples of each values. First one is the inherent value. Example of inherent value is when we appreciate things or the existence of a tree and other people because we know that just like us, they have the right to live freely. Though actions come with responsibility, but we know that we all are made by our Creator. While for the instrumental value, it is when we just taking good care of a thing because we know that we will receive something in return. One of the basic example of these is when we don't cut trees, for example, a mango tree, just because it's beneficial and it would bear fruit at the right time. But we don't have the intention just to appreciate its beauty or existence or a totally opposite of inherent value. And that would be all. Thank you.